Erin. Hi. Erin's been a guest here many times in the past. Hi, Erin. And she always does very well, loving her window suite. Yes, you're my good girl. You lovey-dovey. You lovey-dovey. Yes, you're my best girl. Oh, you're so excited. You're so excited. Yes, you're so excited. So she's eating well, voiding normally. There's never any problems to report with this girl. She always does very well, acclimates, and is friendly. Oh, you're a good girl. You're a good girl. Yes, that's just Tim. That's just Tim. Yes. Oh, there you are. There's my good girl. Yes. Say hi to Mom. Say hi, Mom. Hi, kids. Hi, kids. Yes.